Today we're checking out the Mammoth 4140 Chrome Moly heavy duty ball joints for the 2007 to 2018 Jeep Wrangler JKs. If your Jeep steering is wandering, clunks over bumps, or it chews up those front tires faster than it should, a fresh set of ball joints is one of the best ways to tighten up that steering and bring that front end back to where it should be, especially if you're on bigger tires or out there hitting the trails. The key feature here is going to start with that 4140 Chrome Moly ball stud, which are a big step up in strength over the stock units. That added strength is going to help the joints live longer with heavier wheels and tires, off-road hits, and daily driving miles. These are going to be a direct fit replacement with 2 uppers and 2 lowers, and they're going to drop right into the knuckles on the JK without any weird shims or spacers needed. The design is fully sealed with 2 of them being greasable, which helps keep dirt and water out with them being sealed, and the Zerk fitting for greasing them keeps maintenance easy. If your factory joints were sweeping or full of grit, this solves that problem. Most people like to replace ball joints once they start to feel some play at the steering wheel. They hear clunks over turns and bumps, and they get uneven tire wear over time, or you just can't keep an alignment after you lift the truck. Swapping to a heavy-duty set like this brings back straight tracking on the highway, steadier steering feel, and better durability with bigger rubber. When it comes to the construction on these studs use heat-treated 4140 Chrome Moly for toughness, and the housings are strong steel for a solid press fit in those knuckles. The boots are built to seal tight and keep the contaminants out, and the taper on the threads match factory spec, so the joints seat properly and torque down just like OEM. You're getting a match set of 4 so that both sides are done at the same time for even wear and feel. Now, as far as the pricing goes on these, they're gonna come in right around that upper 100s price range for a complete set. For the 4 heavy-duty ball joints with Chrome Moly studs and a direct fit replacement, they're sitting at a pretty solid value in my opinion. When it comes to this install process, it's gonna get rated a full 3 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter since you do have to press these in, but you can get this job done in 4 hours or less of your time if everything goes smooth. On an install like this, you're just gonna wanna make sure you press them all the way down until they're fully seated in that knuckle, and you might wanna go ahead and get an alignment afterwards if you were having some sloppy steering in the first place to make sure everything is perfect and cleaned up. All right, that's gonna wrap up my review of the Mammoth 4140 Chrome Moly heavy duty ball joints for the 2007 to 2018 Jeep Wrangler JK. And for all things Wrangler, keep it right here at Extreme Terrain.